Hello everyone, the work I bring to you today is a shrinking scene in an iron river. What you see here is a mesmerizing scene of vast ocean waves crashing onto sandy beaches, with fiery solids and rugged stone walls lining the shoreline. So there is a very interesting point about this scene this time. That is, I made this white wave with fluorescent materials. It is such a natural beach scene in the current lighting environment, so it will be when watching the lights. There is a fluorescent effect, so you can refer to blue tears for this effect. Because fluorescent materials need to absorb light sources or violet light. This lamp emits violet light, creating an exquisite visual effect for the scene. Let's make a color light process for this fluorescent material. Fortunately, after collecting purple light for a while, this fluorescent material should be able to play its role. Let's take a look. Now it has a little luminescence. We slowly close the circle of the environment. Okay, you can see this fluorescence. The effect is very obvious. Just like our real life wolf tears beach scene. Very beautiful. Now we are about to enter the production process.